Welcome to Coastal Foraging with Craig Evans. Today we're out in West Wales again, and this time we're going to do a re-edit of my very first video, which was broadcast and filmed by my good friend Chris Harbour, which was published on his channel. I think it was 2 years ago, last March. We're going to go down to a rocky headland, we're going to get some cockles, mussels, do a bit of cooking, explain about seaweeds, and I believe in this one there's some sea squirts which I've yet to find out what they are, so look out for those, and I hope you enjoy.
Just here we've got a sea potato, that's the shape of the hole. In here somewhere there'll be a sea potato. There he is. So what's that, Craig?
It's a sea wash, it's the eggs of a whelk.
Eggs of a whelk.
Yeah, and there's a little, you see the little whelks inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, in there.
Cool. So we've got some younger mussels here. These are only small, but there'll be some bigger ones around. So yeah, Craig here, my mate, he's actually a foraging expert. He's going to be doing courses soon. Oh, we've got here starfish. The amount of life around is just incredible. See, as I was saying, Craig, he's a bit of an expert in foraging, and he's going to be doing courses soon. Yeah, he knows a lot. I don't know anything, I just come with him, and he knows an awful lot about it. He's going to get down in all these rock pools now, and I mean sometimes he gets crab in here and everything. So. Just another little one. Oh, bit bigger. He's an edible size, is he? Velvet swimming crab there. Tell us about it, Craig.
Quite an aggressive crab with the red eyes, and you can see the back legs are flat, formed into a paddle, so they can swim.
Yeah.
Nice to eat.
Pretty awesome day.
Lemon.
Sea lemon.
Yeah, type of sea slug that feeds on these sponges.
Feeds on them.
Yeah,
That's the eggs there, is it?
Just laid in.
Cool. Where does he live? In the water or up here?
Under the water, because it's a low tide, isn't it?
In there.
See, these are the things I didn't know what they were. See these? See?
Oh yeah.
These are the stuff I didn't recognise.
What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know now, okay.
That's the stuff I asked to get identified in
Ah, I see.
I think it's type of sea squid, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
Still waiting for the reply back from the experts.
Okay. There's just so much life everywhere you look.
Oh yeah, yeah. And this stuff now, that's weed. That's a young kelp.
Right.
That stuff. grows about 9-10 foot long.
All edible. You have to cook that for a long time.
You can cook it for a long time.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
this other stuff here is dulse.
Yeah.
That's a young.
You can eat that raw, just like that. It's quite tasty, isn't it?
Yeah, that's dulse again.
Yeah. You wouldn't go hungry here, anyway.
Oh no.
We're just going to venture up there on this cliff because there's a load of sea beet up there. So we're going to go and get some more winkles, is it?
Yeah. No, there's a big difference. See the dogworks. That feed on the barnacles and the mussels.
So those there, that's a dogwork.
That's dogworks,
yeah.
And then you've got these. It's a dogwork as well. But these things here, which are winkles, and they're grazers, and they eat the algae off the rocks.
Right. Okay. Taste similar, do they?
No, there's more nutty taste to the.
More nutty taste.
Yeah. Well, that's a type of winkle which is called a top shell.
Okay.
So you've got the mother of pearl colours on it.
Yeah.
In the splash zone of the tide now, when the tide comes in, it rarely comes up this far. But the splashes of salt water are good growing conditions for these types of lichen, black tar lichen.
So it's this black tar lichen.
That's tar lichen, the black stuff you see all around the high tide.
I see, yeah.
And you've got these different kinds of lichen.
Yeah.
And further up then, where you only get splashes, you get this type of lichen.
Yeah. Similar to stuff you see in the trees, isn't it?
Yeah. And if you look at distance now, this is where the splash zone is of the salt water. But you've also got the terrestrial plants coming down, so that's sea beet. Sea beet, yeah. Growing in the cracks.
Yeah.
Next to thrift, that's a flowering plant, thrift.
Pick the small leaves off the sea beet.
Yeah.
They're the tasty ones.
They're much bigger than that.
Yeah. Describe the taste, sea beet.
Taste. It's the ancestor of all beetroots.
All beetroots.
Yeah. It developed from this.
Yeah.
The rock samphire, which is a perennial plant that grows just above the zone of splashing.
Yeah.
Nice taste. Not to my taste, but some people find it delicious.
Okay, and it grows much bigger. It's just started, is it?
Yeah, this is.
So there should be some cockles under the sand here. So you just sort of get your fingers and dig through the sand and come out, and they're all delicious. One of my favourites, cockles. We've come here before and got bags of them. You can get a lot in a pretty short period of time. They're just so easy to get. Yeah, that's two nice ones.
They tend to be a bit lower down.
These are good ones. Delicious. So we got a bag full of nice goodies and we're about to cook them up in one of these little spots on a Swedish candle. Just going to wash them all off in
Solver stove.
Solver stove, sorry, not Swedish candle, Solver stove. Or a Solver stove, as Craig would say.
Put the razor fish on the bottom, is it?
Yeah, razors weren't doing so well today.
Yeah, so we'll clean the
Hard to get them today.
clean a bit of the stuff off the mussels.
Yeah, we've got all of that. So we're just going to get it all cleaned up and get it in the saucepan. So we've got a full, nice big saucepan for the shellfish. Obviously we could have picked bags and bags of it, but it's just a little snack we're going to have. Yeah, so now we've got the veg, we've got some, what we got, Craig? We've got some wild garlic we picked on the way here.
Wild garlic leaves.
Wild garlic in there.
And a little bit. Nice bit of
sea beet.
So there's some rock samphire, tender young rock samphire. A bit more bits of sea beet.
And there, and get the stove going. It's looking good. We're pretty close now,
Yeah, another couple of minute and a half.
It's burning really good, that.
Mussels. Try and put them out separately, is it?
Mm-hmm.
The veg out. Yeah, that's the rock samphire and the seaweed come in there. Garlic's a little flavour.
Cockles.
Crab.
Velvet shrimp crab.
Venus clams.
Is that Venus clam, is it?
Yep.
Yeah. Love it.
Cost a fortune.
Yeah. So we're gonna dig into some of this.
Yeah.
Just delicious. Solver stoves. Going well. Can cook a load more on that, but we've got enough for our purposes.
Yeah, we'll keep the rest in the saucepan and keep them warm, is it?
Yeah, so
Right then.
nice good feed. We're gonna get in and eat some of this. It looks delicious.
I'll do it.
The size of that.
Lovely.
Delicious. Right, we're gonna eat. Well, that was delicious. The Solver stoves, pretty much. Well, it's got a bit of life left in it. Still putting out a lot of heat. Food's all gone. We're gonna take a walk back. Tide's gonna sort that out. And then, yeah.
Well, thank you for watching. We've had a ball today on the beach here in West Wales. If you like what you saw, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. My Facebook account is Coastal Foraging with Craig Evans, and my Instagram account is Coastal Foraging with Craig. And if you'd like to book some courses or need any further information, please visit my website, which is www.coastalforaging.co.uk. And Klaus says goodbye as well, and look forward to seeing you next time. If you look behind us, you can see that we've got some wonderful geology here with a nice vertical strata and a beautiful part of the world.